Hello, I can't do that. What the freak? I am Optimus Prime. And we're playing, Teardown. Don't ask why there's a limitless Gojo and Shrine technique. Those, those definitely are not here. Definitely not. Don't ask what I'm doing either, because it's just being random. Um, yes. Is there gonna be an asteroid? I guess so. Oh. Well, that did absolutely nothing. I realize I've laughed, and I don't think Optimus has really laughed that much. I have not. Uh, don't ask why I have Megatron's fusion cannon. That is irrelevant. Open the door. Open the door. Yes, I am now as tall as you humans. Oh, pull, not push. Mm-hmm. Yes, I am. I am now. Did I hear you say walk out? Oh. That's not what I expected to happen at all. Okay. Oh, okay then. Uh, hmm. Let's see what this does to a building. Oh, absolutely nothing. What about you? Oh, yeah. I'm definitely not canon Optimus Prime at all. If you couldn't tell, I'm definitely not canon. I should have killed a person. Let's go for a drive. Yes. Ah, yes. Shush. I don't want to hear it. Uh, oh, I didn't mean to do that. I forgot the. Oh, there it is. Aha! Prepare everyone for for Optimus Prime's domain expansion. Frame rate. Yes, as you can see, my domain is very very laggy. I can barely keep up the character with his help. Okay. um. Yep. Luckily, I did not make it any bigger because I think my game would probably break, considering I am recording doing this. Wait, what was it say? Meat is murder. You look like you eat a lot more than just meat, buddy. No. Oh, a burger. What now? I'm just gonna. Whoops. Oh. Oh. Hold on. I gotta be Optimus Prime and save people. Hello, anyone alive? Anyone alive in here at all? No, they're all very crispy. Very crispy. Oh, look, another car. Let's hop on in. Yep, I already failed. Leave in the comments below if you think Optimus Prime is such a great driver and totally not terrible at this. Uh-oh. I might die here. I'm gonna die. Ah, yes, my new transformation. Sports car. Now I'm like Bumblebee. I have not done this voice for, I'm breaking character, everyone, sorry. But I have not done this voice for long periods of time before. So, I'm not very good at it. Anyway, did they read? Oh no, they didn't. We saw that giant hole from my domain expansion. Who is screaming? Shut up. Hmm. Let's see. Rocket launcher. Ow. Well, I got through at least. It was totally worth it, everyone. Totally worth it. Yeah, not really doing a lot. So you know what? I will be right back. Oh, oh no. Um. Uh-oh. Ah. They're all after me. That really hurt. Oh gee, they're spawn camping. They're camping. They're camping. They're camping. Ah! They're very much so camping. They're... Oh. Ah! Why are you still alive? Get out! Die! 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 Oh. Thank goodness I have defeated them all. It was all my doing. Totally. Well, I would have, I would have actually, like, wanted to go up to these and look at them, but I guess, I guess I couldn't, because, I don't know. It wouldn't let me. That's right, Megatron. I killed you once again. Even though it wasn't technically me, it was the giant me right there. I wanted to look at these because these seem to do, seem to like to do a lot of damage, so I know how to do some fair damage. Let's go into a real map and see how possibly laggy these are gonna be. That took a lot longer than I kind of thought it would. Whoops. How well can y'all even hear this? Oh, is the volume not even up that high? Oh. Hold on. Let me see if I can't fix that, because I think I turned down the volume without realizing it. Hold on. Alright, I don't know if that's a little better or not. I hope it is. Because if it's not, well, I kind of feel bad. How big is this guy?
We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron.
Uh-oh. Ah. Let me out. Oh. Okay, we gotta run. I think they're trying to fight each other, I can't tell. Alright, Bumblebee. Let's roll. It's really loud in my headphones, so I don't know how loud it'll be for y'all. Let's roll. Oh! Bumblebee, you're useless. Ow. Okay, that's one. Did I, like... Are you stuck? I think he's stuck. He might be stuck. I think they're both stuck. Optimus Prime, Big Prime. Oh no! Oh. Megatron. Oh. Megatron. You good there? You good there, buddy? You okay? Yeah, you're having a little issue there. Oh. It would be nice if you didn't, run into buildings. Are you okay? Oh, uh-oh. Prime. Prime. Ah, going crypt. Did he shoot? He doesn't seem to be okay. Oh, I can't go over there and help him. Gosh darn it. I cannot help.
We are autonomous robotic organisms.
Oh, he's smaller than I thought he would be. he's after me. Ah! Joke's on him, he can't hit me through. He can't hit me. Oh. I did not expect to make that noise. What? Oh, okay then. I was not expecting to hear that at all. Is he, like, shooting through? He's shooting through the wall. How? Okay, that would make more sense if it was doing it like that, but he wasn't. He was just straight up shooting through the wall.
What a shame.
Now I run. Now I run. Now I run. Oh, hi, buddy. How you doing? How you doing, Megatron? How you doing, Megatron? I am going to get the friggity frick frack out of here. Oh my gosh, they're both trying to shoot me. Oh, jeez. Up a smaller than me. Excuse me, kind sir. Optimus Prime. That did not work as planned. Oh.
You.
What the heck did you just say? I'm sorry. What did you just say to me? Alright, buddy. Alright, I've had it with you. Alright, pal. They're still trying to hit me. Come here, Optimus Prime. I don't know where that one is. Oh, Expert, get out of here. I can't tell if he's trying to, like, shoot at me. Oh, yep. Now he is. Now he is. I gotta... Uh-oh. I gotta lead him towards, Megatron. Oh, Megatron. Hi, Megatron. How you doing, Megatron? How you doing, Megatron? Shut up. Oh. Why are they attacking me? They're all attacking me. Oh jeez, I think Optimus Prime thinks I'm Nemesis Prime or something. I'm not Nemesis Prime, Optimus. I'm your child. I'm your child. Child Prime. Yeah, you are in trouble. There's two giant angry robots. You know what? I'm gonna bring Starscream in here. This is game boring. Wrong thing. They're getting closer. Uh-oh. They're getting closer. Well, I was going to spawn him on the roof, but never mind. I can't. I kind of can't.
My name is Optimus Prime.
You are not Optimus Prime. Shut up. Oh my gosh, that is terrifying. That is absolutely terrifying. Where? Oh, he's going through. What the heck? Why is he going around politely? He's going around the block politely. Oh my gosh. Oh my Primus. He is there.
You know me from somewhere, fool?
Shut up. I think Megatron. I think Megatron sees me, and so does Starscream. Uh oh. They know I'm here. I gotta run. My frames are dying. Autobots, transform and reclaim your frames. Whatever happened to Prime? What? Oh, he's fine. I'm not gonna be fine. No. Oh. That's not good. Oh no. Oh, hey. Hey, I'm your child. Stop it. Whoops. I did not mean to do that at all. I guess that's what. Oh. I don't like that. Starscream, are you politely going around the block again like a good boy? I don't think so. I think he's going through the. I think he's going straight to the buildings. Yeah, I would totally be celebrating if there was a jump. Good for you. Not so good for you.
I am a woman.
Are you just saying random things? Okay. Half of those I was not expecting to hear today. Where is Megatron? Did Megatron get caught in the blast? I think he did. I think he got caught in the blast. Whoops. Yeah, he's dead. He's dead. Not so rest in peace, Megatron. Nobody liked him. Anyway. What if I shoot this up? I don't know, because it's not letting me throw it. I must defeat Starscream myself. Gosh darn it. Haha, your arm's stuck. Your arm. Oh. No, it's not. 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 His arm is not stuck. I repeat, his arm is not stuck. Aha. Wait, oh, I missed. Sudden asteroid. I have no clue. I think it's coming from right there. I've saved this town from what I had previously did to... Is it alive? No, you're not alive. Your head's gone. Oh my gosh.
Sir, actually, it's a male. And then everyone around started clapping, and the guy who said it actually got arrested.
Shut up. Not something I would canonically do, but you know what? Whatever.
You'll be unable to see it.
Oh dear. Haha, you fool.
We are autonomous robotic organisms from the
gotta run.
planet Cybertron.
I gotta run. Run, Mickey Mouse. Well, at least I'm safe all the way over here.
Shut up.
What the heck? Where? Let me out. I gotta get out of here. I gotta get out of here. Oh no. Where was it? Oh jeez. Let me out. I don't know where they are. Ugh. I'm cooked. I'm done for. I'm done. Tell my Autobots they were amazing. Oh jeez. Oh dear. Optimus made it into my backyard. That's not good. Prime, why aren't you attacking the Decepticon? Where is said Decepticon anyway? I think I'm hearing him shooting around. I don't know where though. Oh, he's stuck. Are you serious? Police, I don't think you're doing anything against that Autobot. That is a Prime, and you are done for. Well, actually, they're both. I think they're both kind of a little bit stuck. I was not expecting Optimus Prime to find my house that fast. He found my living quarters, and I am completely scared.
The other day.
I'm terrified. Where? Oh, right. You know what? I'm gonna do. Well, why was I saying that?
I need your money to buy a box.
Shut up. Whoever that was.
Hey, let me see your phone real quick.
Okay then. Are you okay over there, Megatron? Oh my gosh. Oh. Shut up, Eric Cartman. Why'd you turn to sand? I should not be all the way out here. I should not be at the front where he is. Oh my gosh.
Check out my
Shut up. All you, why is there X? I have no clue where.
Unsalted multigrain.
Move. Why are there so many? Move. Oh, jeez. Oh, Jimmy Joe. Oh, Primus. Oh, scrap. Don't worry. Once I remember the way this character speaks, I will be saying actual stuff he would say. I don't know. Oh, what do you have to say about this, ma'am? Nothing? Well, you're made of sand. I'm very... Oh, no. He's breaking through. He's breaking through. He's breaking through. I gotta get out of here. I don't think he'll realize that I am out here now, right? He wouldn't. Sorry, I had to sip on some energy. Anyway. Oh no. I gotta get out of here. Why? Oh my gosh, that is actually... Oh no. Just imagine being targeted by this in real life. I don't like it.
Oil is death of our planet.
Shut up. I gotta do a U-turn. Into a building. No. Oh no. I just gotta run. I gotta run. I cannot do it. I gotta run. Shut up. You're gonna be... You're in trouble. Unless... Is he out of bullets? Oh. Okay, who keeps saying that? Shut up. Oh my gosh. Megatron? Megatron, are you okay? Megatron, shut up! Megatron. Megatron, are you doing okay here, buddy? Oh, he got back up. He got back up. He got back up. He got back up.
I am disabled.
Although he's not really firing. He's just kind of... Oh, now he's just wreaking havoc. He's just straight up wreaking havoc now. I think Optimus... I don't know what these audio clips are from, but okay. I don't want to know. Is Optimus doing okay back over here? Is he still stuck? I hate that so much. Anyway, Optimus Prime, are you still stuck over there? Do you need some help? He's escaped. I think. No, he might. What the? I'm scared because I'm going to like immediately die. Yeah, I cannot. I cannot live when Optimus Prime is he stuck? He might actually be stuck. Is there a way for me to free him at all? He's kind of just stuck here, I think. Also, he's impaled, so that's fun. Oh, I think Megatron's shooting again. Finally. Oh. Oh dear. Don't worry, Prime. I'm here to save you. Oh dear. It seems I have freed up. I have to, like... He's actually freed of something. Although it seems like he cannot turn around. Yes, he can. I lied. I am a liar. I am a liar. Well, time to go into the old fart. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Out of my way. Out of my way.
Okay.
Shut up. You're in a wall fart. Act like it, citizen. Oh dear. I can't leave. Why is he just war farming over there? I'm scared. Is he... What? How did he shoot over here? Excuse me? Hold on. Let me just... Hold on. Oh.
Well, I'm gonna ask you for the 5th time to stop calling me a man, because quite clearly I am not.
What? Did the thing that shoots out of his gun get, like, dislodged or something? What happened? I think it did.
Hello there.
Uh-oh. So that means Megatron literally... Oh, jeez. He literally cannot do anything. Ah! I should not turn around. I should not turn around. Oh, damn. Ah! Oh, so this is how Sam Witwicky feels. Let me in, let me in, let me in, let me in. How close is... Oh my gosh, when did he get that close? Oh my gosh. So this must be how Sam Witwicky feels. This must just be how any protagonist in a Transformers series has felt. Possibly. I feel bad for them now. Considering I seem to be going up against an evil Optimus Prime. You know, I'm just gonna put Megatron out of his misery. I did not expect him to immediately go down. Are you okay again? Yes, he is. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. He's fine. He is okay. Oh, never mind. He's not. Never mind. He is. He's perfectly fine. Oh, jeez, I can't move. I can't move. Ah. 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 I think. Yes, I can. I'm fine. I will be fine. I think. As long as Optimus Prime doesn't come around that block safely. He's coming. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this information. That he is very, very close by. How long have I even been recording for? 35. How did 10 minutes go up to 35 minutes? Holy moly. That is actually crazy. Shut up. I think you were just asking where I'm from. Now I feel bad. Where is he? We have to defeat Optimus Prime. Even though I guess I probably should have made this video about Megatron destroying the city. Or something. I don't know about... I don't know. Oh, he sees me. He sees me. He sees me. He sees me. Oh! He sees me. You missed. Oh. Ha! This is his one weakness. The bridge. He cannot go through this bridge whatsoever. He's very bad at it, and he gets stuck frequently. Haha. Well, I'm actually trying to, like... You know, I expected the bridge to come down, but never mind. Ha. Why are you going to that one now? Are you a fool? You know what? I can't. There we go. Optimus Prime has been defeated. And about 72... I think about 72% of the city has actually been destroyed. You know what? I gotta make sure nobody, no one can know. So, Domain expansion. The Lag Chronicles. Give it a second. I promise everything will be a-okay. Alright, you know what? I'm not actually going to... Oh my gosh. I think everyone might be dead. Oh no. Well, I hope you enjoyed Optimus and Starscream and Megatron. I will see you all in the next video. Have a good night. Or day. Whatever time it is for you.